So in order to start working around with video editing, you need to first of all go around and add in media to the project. So to do that, you need to go around and click on add media right here. So I am in the quick view right now, and in quick view, you directly import out medias. So you can go around onto the element organizer right here, and you can choose whether you want like a photo or audio or video right here. In my case, I only have photos right here. So let me just go around and click and add the file right here. And in the timeline right here, you can see that this is what you have right here. You got the photo added in. So in the quick view, you directly add in media like this. So you can go around over here as well and go to files and folders. And then what you can do is you can navigate around right here just like this and import out media from over here as well. So let me just go around over here onto the video section right here. And over here, I'm going to go around and import out, let's say, for example, this media right here. So once you do that, you can see that a media is added in. And then over here, you can see that just like a slideshow, you can go around and arrange out the media right here. So this is how you import out the media in quick view. But inside of expert view right here, you can go around and continue to expert view. And this is what you have. You go around and have the project asset panel, as you can see right here, where you can see all of the medias that you imported. So you can also go around over here, and then here you can see that you got more sources that you can bring in the media from. And then you can go around and click on this and then select out, let's say, for example, some more medias right here, just like this. Click on open, and the medias are added in. So it's not directly added in out onto the timeline, but in the project's asset panel right here, just like this. And you can go around and bring in the media from the project asset panel right here. You can double click and bring in other media as well. Let's say, for example, audio right here. So I'm just going to go around over here onto audio and select out some audio right here, and you can bring that out as well. So you don't need to use it directly over here on the timeline, but you can just keep it over here for reference and use it if you need, and just don't use it if you don't need them. I'm just going to go around over here onto images as well, and then you can select out some images, click on open, and that can be added in just like this as well. And then you can go around and filter it out over here just like this as well to access out the media. And that is how you can go around and then import out your media onto your project inside of Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.